Okay, so let me break the silence today. You guys might be thinking, who is this girl? Why does she always come on my feed and start keep sharing content and this and that? And while I understand that, let me start with this. So I currently stay in a PG in Bangalore. I run my own personal branding agency where we help founders become the face of the brands and from across the globe. Yeah, so I came to Bangalore around 2 years back when I was working at Accenture. I had got my first job here. I had started applying to different companies after not sitting for placements in college, which was not such a wise decision. But yeah, post that I worked for 6 months there. I really enjoyed the company. I really enjoyed the crowd of Bangalore. Although the food isn't that great, what I like the most is the weather here. The kind of crowd in terms of how they align with what kind of work I want to do, like meeting founders, investors, most of the people who are building something. That vibe kind of impresses me a lot. So it was after the job that, sorry, it was after the job. I did it for 6 months. I quite of got bored. I was sidewise taking some clients for freelancing, helping them build their personal brands, trying to check out how things are working out and whether or not I would really want to move forward and really want to get into freelancing, since I have been trying that since age 17, and it was only after age 21 that I kind of started getting or making some good money out of it. So that was it. Yeah, and within 6 months I had my first semester exams for MBA, due to which I had to leave. Sorry, my eyes have got infection and it looks really scary today. Anyways, so I had got, yeah, so it was after 6 months that I was very much confused, and I had till then served around 3 clients, served a few of them on just to collect the testimonials and started to try out how things are going. And post which I took a client and worked for them. The results were amazing. They were really impressed by my work, and that was the time when I had quite of made similar kind of money as I was making with my full-time job. So that's when I understood that maybe this is a good time to leave this and get into what I really want to do, which is truly resonating with me, which was about creating content and stuff. So which is why I got into it, and also to freelance with clients. Although what happened is, initially in the first 6 or 7 months of freelancing, I just took clients, I was serving them. I constantly I iterated. I took a lot of courses. I started applying. I started failing, and a lot of things happened. But eventually, things started getting on track, and yeah, I started to expand my team. I started to take on more clients from the US, the UK, Germany, India, and a lot more. And the experience has been great. I am very passionate about the kind of work I do, and along with that, I also started creating content on YouTube. Although there were a lot of things going on in life, like I had after the 6 months after I left my job, I had left Bangalore. I went to home. The reason being that मेरे में कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था, बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. मतलब आई वॉज नॉट इवन कॉन्फिडेंट कि मैं अगले 2 महीने में अगर रहूँगी बैंगलोर में आफ्टर क्विटिंग माई जॉब, हाउ विल आई पे द रूम्स रेंट. तो दैट वॉज अ मेजर वन फॉर मी, which is why I was thinking ki what to do, and I had left for home. There I was doing certain stuff, and I was trying out freelancing. I was serving clients because वहाँ पर ये था कि मुझे ये पता था कि मुझे खाना and all sorted है, मुझे सोचना नहीं पड़ेगा. I can full time focus on my work, and sidewise MBA भी चल रहा है, तो पढ़ाई भी करनी होती है वगैरह वगैरह, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो जाती हैं. And I kind of worked at home for the past 1.5 years, post which I understood कि वाइब नहीं आ रही है यार. I got bored again, which is why I moved back to Bangalore. And this time, I really do not have any plans. It was a very sudden decision. I just made my mind कि नहीं 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 मुझे वापस जाना है, मुझे वापस से मुझे कुछ ट्राई करना है. I really want to meet the crowd there. I really want to experience things. I want to create content. I want to do a lot of things. Which I guess I did. I moved back to Bangalore. It was really not easy. 1.5 साल घर पे रह के एकदम मम्मी की पैम्परिंग के बाद सारी चीज़ें खुद से मैनेज करना, हर चीज़ का खुद से ख्याल रखना, खाना क्या है ये वो, मतलब काम भी पूरा टाइम. लाइक आई सिट इन फ्रंट ऑफ माई लैपटॉप एटलीस्ट फॉर 12 to 14 hours a day, and that's non-negotiable for me. Even if I don't want to, I have to. So that's like that, but no complaints. The thing that truly keeps me going is that I love my work. Now I also want to expand into content creation. Today is Ekadashi. I have a fast, so let me just do some puja and stuff, post which I'll meditate, I'll read somewhat, and after which I'll start the work, and maybe I'll keep chit chatting with you. So I'm currently reading Laws of Nature. It's written by Robert Greene, and oh my god, I'm learning so much about human psychology, about how we form friendships and what are the reasons behind things, and a lot more. So really loving it, learning a lot from it. So I'm done with some of the work, but there is a lot that's remaining, and I kind of feel like I should have a fruit or something. Let's work for some more time. Okay, so it's 5:10 p.m. and I have been working since, I don't know, since 11 I guess. I didn't even get up to have food as an आज तो फास्ट है. मैंने बस एक केला खाया, और I guess मुझे जाना है, थोड़ा कुछ आलू वगैरह फ्राई करते हैं. I guess because I was making the video, I was accountable. Like it has not been in the past few months that मैं दिन में मतलब कंसिस्टेंटली 10 से 12 घंटे आराम से काम कर लूँ. मतलब नो, रात के 3 बज जाते हैं काम करने में, और देखो बारिश भी होने लगी. Meanwhile, I cut mango maybe. I could chit chat with you a bit. So मैं जब बैंगलोर आई थी, मैं अपने दिमाग में बहुत क्लियर थी, राइट, कि हर हफ्ते एटलीस्ट आई विल बी अटेंडिंग सम नेटवर्किंग इवेंट्स, ताकि आई मेक द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ बीइंग एट दिस प्लेस. और मैंने कोशिश भी करी. इनफैक्ट मैंने दो मैंने फाउंडर मीटअप्स अटेंड किए, एंड दे वर रियली गुड. आई रियली लाइक्ड देम. पहला वाला तो काफ़ी अच्छा था, ठीक है. दूसरे वाले में हुआ यूँ कि 1 घंटा लगना था मुझे पहुंचने में, ठीक है. तो और वो इवेंट शाम को 6 बजे स्टार्ट होना था, तो मैं 4:30 बजे निकल गई कि 5:30 तक तो पहुंच ही जाऊंगी, बिकॉज बैंगलोर ट्रैफिक है, तो डेफिनेटली 6-6:30 बज जाएंगे. इट्स फाइन, वी कैन मैनेज. मैं 4:30 बजे निकली हूँ, और मैं वहाँ पहुँची कितने बजे हूँ? 7:30. वो इवेंट ही 8 बजे तक का था, ठीक है. मैं वहाँ लिटरली सिर्फ आधे घंटे के लिए शक्ल दिखाने के लिए गई थी, पर इट वॉज फाइन. आई मेट अ लॉट ऑफ गुड पीपल, एंड इन फैक्ट यू नो someone also became a prospect, and they are thinking about wanting to work with me. And the point is कि अच्छा था, but the point is also कि उसके बाद मेरी हिम्मत नहीं हुई कि मैं 3 घंटे ट्रैवल करके जाऊँ, 3 घंटे ट्रैवल करके आऊँ, just to stay there for 30 minutes. I'll have to, you know, revise my plans and things, but ठीक है, हो जाएगा शायद. So what happened was कि मैं आई. इनफैक्ट मैं अपनी जो पीजी ओनर है उनको मैंने बताया कि ऐसा ऐसा है. आई वांटेड दैट सेम रूम जहाँ पर मैं 1.5 साल पहले थी यहाँ, ठीक है. तो मुझे लगा मिल जाएगा, और मैंने पेमेंट भी कर दी उसके लिए. बट जब मैं आई तो वो वाला रूम अवेलेबल नहीं था.
ऑब्वियसली क्यों क्या हुआ वगैरह वगैरह, आई सर्च फॉर इट। फिर बाद में उन्होंने एक और दूसरा रूम असाइन कर दिया जो कि काफ़ी अच्छा है, यही है, ठीक है। नाउ मैं कुछ दिन बाद जब जाके देखती हूँ कि नहीं यार मुझे तो अपना वही वाला रूम एक बार देखना है कि मिल सकता है कि नहीं, तो मैं जाके देखती हूँ एंड व्हाट आई सी इज़ कि एक बंदी थी, मेरी रूममेट थी उस टाइम पे, और वो रात के 3 बजे तक अपने बंदे से बात करती रहती थी एंड इट वॉज सो डिस्कस्टिंग। मतलब यू कांट डू एनी थिंग, तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, पूरे टाइम वो बेड पे पड़ी रहती है एंड वट एवर है पर्सनल लाइफ, बट वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा अफेक्ट करता था मेरे काम को, क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स मुझे थोड़ा सा शांति चाहिए होती है आसपास, तो काम में फोकस लगता है वगैरह वगैरह। तो उससे मुझे समझ आया कि अच्छा, क्योंकि वो मेरी रूममेट वहाँ पर थी एंड आई डिडंट रियली वांट अ रूम विथ हर अगेन, गॉड मेड दिस हैपन बिकॉज ही वांटेड कि आयुषी अच्छी जगह जाना, क्यों वापस से उसी जगह जाना है तेरे को। Crazy how the universe works. Crazy. I literally had no idea such things happen, but it is how it is. After this, I have finished my work. There is some more to do, but maybe I'll open and मैं पंचायत सीरीज़ देख रही थी, मैंने एपिसोड 1 हाँ सीरीज़ 1 कंप्लीट कर दिया है, सीरीज़ 2 देखना है मुझे, देखना तो है, तो मैं तो जा रही हूँ कि देखूँगी। तो इसी के साथ दिन ख़त्म हुआ एंड बहुत सारा काम किया आज मैंने, मतलब लिटरली आई कुड नॉट वर्क सो मच इफ़ आई वुड नॉट हैव व्लॉग्ड। और इससे मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे ऐसे व्लॉग्स और ज़्यादा बनाने चाहिए टू सी वेयर आई एम हेडिंग एंड क्या क्या चीज़ें गड़बड़ हैं और क्या क्या इम्प्रूव करी जा सकती है। यू गाइज लेट मी नो कि या और कैसे कैसे व्लॉग्स या फिर और कैसे कैसे वीडियोज़ आप चाहते हो from my channel. It was only a few days back that you know मैंने वो देखी आप जैसा कोई, and my god the storyline, the concept, the kind of depth in the message, I was blown away कि भाई बॉलीवुड में अगर ऐसी मूवीज़ बन रही है ना तो it's really good. I mean the depth of the message in that movie about you know hitting patriarchy and showing two sides of men, one in the form जहाँ पर the man is rude and then the other man who is kind of sweet and soft but still controlling. तो उसको इतने अच्छे तरीके से उन्होंने मतलब एक्सप्रेस किया है, एक्सप्लेन किया है सारी चीज़ों को, और मैसेज इतना डीप दिया है, और the character played by the female protagonist, loved it totally. I mean if you have such kind of movie recommendations, I don't think Bollywood में मिलेंगे, अगर Hollywood में भी हैं, even if they are series, I would be up for them and the comment section is open for you because अच्छी series recommend करो यार. Meet you in the next video. Bye.